Ramping up your English. Understanding, ramp things up. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and useful phrase, ramp things up. This phrase is common in both everyday and professional English, and understanding it can really enhance your fluency. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to ramp things up. Ramp things up is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to increase something, especially in speed, intensity, or amount. Imagine a ramp. As you go up, the height increases. Similarly, when you ramp things up, you're increasing something in a gradual or steady way. This phrase is often used in contexts like business, where you might hear someone say, "We need to ramp up production to meet the demand." To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In business, after seeing the success of our new product, we decided to ramp up our marketing efforts. 2. In personal life, I've been jogging every day, but I plan to ramp up my exercise routine to include weight training. 3. In education, as exams approach, students are expected to ramp up their study hours. These examples show how ramp things up can be used in various situations to indicate an increase in effort, intensity, or quantity. Understanding synonyms can help you use the language more flexibly. Here are some synonyms for ramp things up: increase, step up, intensify, escalate. You might hear these in similar contexts, offering you more ways to express the idea of increasing something. And that's a wrap on ramp things up. We hope this video has helped you understand and feel confident using this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about gradual improvement, so keep practicing and maybe try to ramp up your English learning bit by bit. See you in the next video, and happy learning!